Custom World shooting another video. We got this hearse in today. We're gonna strip it down, strip the pad. We're just showing a little of the different work we do besides installing engines. We do upholstery work, vinyl tops, seats, carpets. And today we'll be working on a hearse. Like I said, we got it stripped down, got all the pad, got to do a little more scraping. Yeah. We'll shoot another video of the finished product. Yeah, we wrap regular cars, hearse, limos, trucks, whatever you want to wrap.